The Manage Guest mode in Live Check-In is used for making quick, intelligent table assignments while providing a real-time overall picture of your check-in process. You can view your event by table or by guest list. The guest list includes some handy filters, which we'll talk about later, and a search bar to search for guests by first or last name. One of the main functions of the Manage Guest mode is to deal with walk-ins who weren't pre-registered for the event. When a guest approaches, simply search for them to make sure they're not already in the system. If you don't see them in the search results, they'll need to be registered to a table. You'll notice that tables with open seats are clearly marked in yellow with the number of open seats available. When you tap a table, you can see that table's guest list and also register a person directly to it. Once you're finished capturing their info, you can send them off to their seat. Another main function of the Manage Guest mode is to help guests who were pre-registered but who haven't been assigned to a table yet. Again, when a guest approaches, simply search for them by name. Registered guests will appear in the search results as unassigned if they haven't been assigned to a table. Another place to find unassigned guests is in the Waiting tab, which contains everyone who is already checked in but not assigned to a table. Tap their name to open their profile. In their profile, you'll notice there's a Move button. Tap the Move button, and if they're in a party, you'll be able to either split them from their party or move their whole party at once. Now all you need to do is find a table with open seats and finish the move. Sometimes there are situations where you need to squeeze in extra seats at tables to make more room. To do this, simply select a table where you want to add seats, tap the Adjust Total Seats button, and then adjust your number. Your open seats calculations will be automatically adjusted. Well, that should be all you need to get started. Have a great event!